Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here, again the Zeblaze Meteor Smartwatch, and of course, today we're going to check on the installation of the support app in the iOS platform. So we have here an iPhone, and we're going to try and install the support app for this wearable. So let's check it out, and see if we can connect or install the support app for the iOS platform. So we are done already with the Android platform, so this time we're going to check on the iOS support app. So again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. So we have here the user manual. So we have here the QR code. Let me check. So where's the QR code? So we have here the QR code. Then so this one is the QWatch Pro app, I think, if we are not mistaken. And for the QR code, if you happen to lose your user manual, I think it's here in the support app. So let's check. Go to the settings. Here we have here the QR code. So we'll try to scan this. If you can really access, automatically access the app. So let's check. App download link. So we have here the support app, the QWatch Pro. While we are downloading the app, so let's check again the design of this wearable. Again, we are still waiting for the app. So here's the design. Let's have a closer look. It has a uni PC body. So it is not a metal body here, so very lightweight. It has a glossy, somewhat like a brush finish paint here. You see it here. And we have a curved body frame, slightly curved. Let's focus on the body. So, you see it? So widescreen display, beautiful design, and I really like the weight of this wearable. Very comfortable to wear. But the issue I think with this one is this. It's not a metal, but rather a plastic material. So I'm planning to change it with the other third-party strap, I think. So let's check. We have here. Seems like it did not continue downloading. Let's try again. So and we have a list. So it's still downloading. The app is still downloading. So QWatch Pro. Let's check on the details for this one. Health, manage equipment version 1.0. So it is a pretty new app. So the description here is in Chinese language. 75 MB. It is in health and fitness. Works on this phone. So while we are waiting, let's activate the Bluetooth first. Okay, so we can automatically continue using the app. Okay, so it is now downloaded. Again, we have here the Zeblaze Meteor Smartwatch. Let's open the app. Okay, so it is asking for permission. Allow QWatch Pro to access your location. Okay, only while using the app. That is your GPS. Okay, so QWatch Pro would like to send your notifications. Allow. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is the UI. We have here the device, the watch face section, and the profile section. Okay, so let's go for the device. Please add your device. Okay, so let's put this first here. Okay, so add. So as you can see here, it automatically detected. That's why I'm very impressed with the support app. It is the same with the Android smartphone. Okay, it's easy to search and automatically detected, okay, the smartwatch that we want to pair. So Bluetooth pairing request 7BE Meteor. Are you sure that this is the Meteor smartwatch that we are trying to pair? Let's check it on the settings. You can see it here on the system. We have the Meteor and the MAC address. So the same MAC address 7CBE. Okay, you see it here. So it is the same MAC address. So let's pair it and we'll see if we can properly connect it to the device. Okay, so it is synchronizing and 100% battery. We are connected. Okay, as you can see here, let's pick the correct watch face here. Okay, seems like we already replaced it with other watch face. Okay, we have here. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so the same wearable. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully connected the smartwatch. Okay, very easy, no issues at all. Okay, that is our fine device. You see, very strong vibration. Okay, we have incoming calls, set it to on. Notifications, we have here allow notification permission if you want to receive messages. So we have options here: SMS, QQ, WeChat, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Skype, Line, LinkedIn, Instagram, Snapchat, and other options here. Okay, we have heart rate detection, timing blood pressure, SpO2. So let's check if we can monitor the heart rate here automatically. Okay, let's go here. Okay, so do you have activation here on the support app? No, seems like you can only activate it in the wearable. Okay, so we have here the heart rate. Automatically monitoring. See, you see it here. So we're having a real-time heart rate monitoring here and synchronized directly to your support app. Okay, so this is your QWatch Pro. Okay, so we have here different apps or different watch faces. Okay, so similar to the Android platform, we also have here beautiful watch faces available for download. Okay, so let's try to pick one to see if it's working. Okay, so let's check this one. Dial files are full. Please clean app and try again. So remove first the preloaded watch faces here. Let's remove this analog. Okay, so we successfully removed the other watch face here and tap on it. So let's see if it's downloaded to our smartwatch. Okay, very smooth connection, very stable, very good watch face, and very good smartwatch from Zeblaze. So this is your Zeblaze Smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.